lot of Jamaicans live streamers are in fear because of this.
You never tell her that.
Guys, when you look how life wicked. Look how life wicked. Of all the times when me used to hear Niah talk say he want to be number one when I time then. He used to say he want to be number one. He want to go up in the ranking one day. Look when the man gone in the ranking. Look when the man gone in the ranking, people. The man gone in the man literally gone in the ranking when in there to enjoy, there to see his achievement. There to feel good in yourself. Say, yo, this is me, I made this, That the time that the man reach up in the ranking. Yo, somehow they are put out great content, you understand? And enough people will see we. And he would have tried to support with enough people them who know we. And he would even try to support with. You understand? Enough of them who know would even try to support with them, prefer support people who already boss. They prefer repost somebody who already boss out there. You see me? But you see, moment you drop off of this world, at that time a whole of them repost the whole of your content and everything and go on like say they did rate you. You understand? The moment when you're not here anymore to feel anything, to enjoy anything, that is when everybody are gonna act like say they rate you. You see me?
Yo, Niah, oh, them still flap out on TikTok. Yo, bad man, a fish alone flapping a dog. Believe me, man, ever trending, man. Believe or leave. One Niah gang, any other we are dead.
Niah, R.I.P. youth. And I hope this be an example for the rest of our youth. When they on the internet, are bad up on yourself. And I say you a big gangster because no for you want move like artists. No for you want roll like artists. You understand? And uno no have the money like artists and uno no have the resource for roll like a dancehall artist. So you stop going like say you a gangster youth. You stop bad up on one another upon the internet youth. A whole heap of time me come and tell you no. I'm tell you say stop with the suck your mother talk youth. I'm tell you say stop this up on one another youth and stop this up people. You understand? Me tired for tell you in a youth. And enough of you youth we tattoo up on yourself and bleach out on yourself and have no pants below no waist youth, a dirty style that youth, a gay style that youth, you stop them style youth. You understand? You stop company internet and stop come bad up on yourself youth and talk about badness youth. Too much negative energy you know I talk about. So make this be an example for the rest of you youth. You understand? You nobody run and talk about R.I.P. like good youth, like we. Somehow you nobody run. You take this be an example and you stop with them look dirty living there between one another. You stop this up people who know because when time you go road the people they know because a whole heap of viral video enough how you have. You understand? So people know so you stop bad up people and stop this up people.
Boy, everybody I talk about, boy, it's Saddam to Niah. It's Saddam to Niah. Fuck up what to Niah. Yeah, it's Sam to Niah, yes. But one to the people who's been supporting the fuckery. One to the gifters them who's been supporting all this badness and all this madness. Eh? Yeah, can we talk about that? Can we talk about how you sit down over there and support the man and his lifestyle, but when shit go wrong, you not point and a blame finger about, oh, look how him there live, and you supported it though. When the people let me over there cuss back and forth and I send them threats, when I never saw them when I not support them and tell them to stop the fuckery. You supported them. On the coax and the two people them for blood clot war. One person set of people on that side that tell him to suck him mother. And I said that tell him to suck him mother. And the two set of party them sit down there and watch the man them blood clot war and one of the man them drop out and come like say, we'll never have nothing to do with it, don't you? Most of them to get charged to, you know. Yeah, man. If you want the word, we take part in a murder. Yeah, man. Not for them to get blood clot charged to. Yeah, to support the fuckery. Yeah, man go tell a man to go suck him mother and it's like he meet and sweet against serious people. When they draw a line and say, here what happened. But now come back over there for that to not continue because we don't want a thing go left. No, I want to support it and send Big Lion and Tiger just the same. And tell him to go tell the man, tell him to go suck him mother, to go suck back for him. But when the shit go wrong, only there. You sit down behind the phone and behind the little screen and focus on the people them, and laugh after them when the people are there. They think no, so enough fun and laugh through the man there. Yeah? Think enough fun them, they think do this spitefully. Spiteful and sit down in one little corner and laugh with some evil bumbo hole. It fucked up one Niah, no joke. But how much more you get fucked up before you learn?
You see, Uno is a wicked set of pussy soul. Uno is a wicked set of pussy soul. Uno content creator out of Jamaica. And otherwise from Varney, me I go say this. Everybody who miss it take up Niah store upon their head and they dash up on other content creator. Me never say none of them post one Niah song yet. I see Uno people where put people life in a danger underneath to stop it. You see when them two brother when name Akeem and the next one when name figure it out. Just do a video on this Niah. The whole comment section say man them look like Batman and all them too cute and all them too girly. Oh, all of a sudden now, you know, bring back the old video accuse the man them. But they're gonna stop put people life in a danger. Cause when the first time the man them do a video, when you say man them look like Batman, then too cute, they act girly, they use people and everything. So all of a sudden this go on, you bring back up the video dog for arm and youth them. You know, stop it dog.
Niah, go on. Are you want that? Hold on, don't dick something. Yo, Charge him, let me tell you something. You hear, brother? Me tell you something straight, killer. Bad man, I am Jay a player, you hear? You see how your big waist suck pussy butty boy people over there. Una not call me name, dog, you see it? Cause you get ugly Charge, you don't even name. Una top call me name, brother. Una play no match. Una top call me name, brother. Top call me name, bro. Me no run joke. No boy can't talk to me like how una talk to them. Me no run joke, una low me name, dog. Low me, bro.
Boy, listen to the boy, I'm also angry. Look a boy. Yo, figure it out. Where you say? They jump. Go kick off too, bad now. Go kick off too, bro. You see him? You know I'm a brother.
Yo, listen to me and listen to me good, man. Listen to me and listen to me good. You see when me we run it off and me know say you're mad. You see Waka, bro. Waka, we do your things, dog. You need to be careful where you're there, yeah? You see when me we run it off. I'm a dead, I'm a rare, I'm a tear. Waka is a different man, Charge. You see if you call me name, Niah, call me name. Loud the man name out to your mouth, brother. You hear me I tell you, bro? For your own good, my dog. You see certain vibes, you love it. Alright.
Them set him up. Just because you don't want to bring we down, dog. Just because you don't want to bring we down, bro. And that them a say, cause them say two person go do it. The person them say, and me and my brother. So when people are take sense out of nonsense and I say no, and some gunman not there right so. You know what them say? And some gunman got foreign. In got foreign, for set thing for Niah head. Bro, the man have a mother dog. The man got foreign go look for mommy. You see me, mommy left Jamaica about for a couple of years now and the man got foreign go look for his mother. When the man post a video, he all I want to run with it and I say, yeah man, me love this fear dog. And them thing I me like see. You got foreign go look for your mother. Now all of a sudden he got foreign so he could have put contract for a man head. Dog. People, brother. When the man drop the video, bro, me say people love the video, bro. Love the video, dog. People say, yeah man, me love that move there. You got foreign go look for your mother. All of that rare, te, blah. Me love that move there. But as something go on, he not go foreign go look for your mother again. He go foreign for go set up, man, dog. He go foreign for go set up, man, because it's easier for blame you, dog. It's easier for blame you, bro. On the need for go look for the actual killer, the actual people them will have something to do with the dog death. And them want to come together and protest against and stop come together against two little youth on knowing on themselves that have nothing to do with it, bro. On knowing on yourself, on no heart. You think you know? On a blood clot know so we don't have nothing to do with it, bro. You don't need to go find the real killer them will kill a man and take a man life. You hear, bro? And that me I tell you, dog. You don't need to go find the real man them will have something to do with it, bro. Uno want set, uno want end to look a young youth life. I want to see a try. I want to tell you, all out with the yard try, brother. You all out with the yard try. You see me? So here we go on. Me have to get liar and spend the money to come prove me innocence. Nothing wrong. If I decide that, I just decide that. Nothing wrong. Me no want no bumbo clap boy tell me to calm down neither. And that me I tell you. Me no want nobody tell me to calm down. Cause when me come and me I try defend myself and me I talk soft when I don't for me, no boy no tell me to calm down. I want to youth. Me no want nobody say that to me. Cause all I want to fake pan this a bumbo clap up here. All I want to. Today me on the favorite and the next day on the hate me. Me no want a boy tell me to calm down youth.
No boy with blood already them no fear me. All I want to make no threat. We are threatening my son but feel like out son for dead. None of you have blood in no fear me. Me say me, now come for my life come bad. And go no one, me now come broke down. Hey, if you are dead, me no fear it. When I mind time I feel it. And that's my son I just want to know I'm reaching. And the one me that knows so we don't have nothing to do with it. We're not going to wait until the case somebody get hurt. And one thing me I say, one thing me I say. You see, nothing happened to my son. You see, man sound and call my name. You see, nothing happened to my son. Anybody will say that, bro, I promise you. All in front of you. Yo, I promise you. All in front of you.
Young blood, here is a gift from me to you from the book of Proverbs 4:10. Hear, O my son, and receive my sayings, and the years of thy life shall be many.
Listen up again, young blood. Listen up again. Our words can also be like a quicksand. The more you move, the more vigorously you move, the deeper you gradually sink. Young blood, you started off with a lot of talking and these verbal expressions were aggressive, and you start sinking, self-inflicted, and then you continue again with some more words in a more aggressive tone of voice, and guess what? Start sinking again, young blood, with you talking aggressively, sinking yourself further into this quicksand of dilemma. Young blood, you are sinking yourself because of a self-generated pride and confidence and might and power, just like the Titanic. Gradually sinking. Young blood, there are persons who are out there trying to help you not just keep safe. And young blood, there are those out there, young blood, who can't wait to see the last of you going down in that quicksand. Young blood, young blood, young blood, speak less, speak calmly, less aggressive, show remorse, and keep the L off the media. This platform is what put you in the same situation with your own verbal contributing to it. And you're coming back on this platform for what? Empathy? Sympathy? Young blood, you're sinking yourself because the more you talk, is the louder you get, the more aggressive you get, and you're sinking in that quicksand. You're sinking yourself, young blood.
You see the video with youth when you AI and Niah, when them there play the match, you could have see difference on the man face. Say yo, I don't know if you not see it, but we could have see a difference on the man face. Man, you look like Niah to me, bro. The man look like in dead already from seeing. He look like for the man then come in like spiritually, the man look like in dead already, bro. For me look me up on the man and his face features just change up, bro. And I say no man, no, the man looks so, and you can't say yo, he man not have this vibes don't usually have anymore, bro. Like when he come on live and attack, and he look like in dead afraid too. You see me? The man face feature change, bro. When me look on the man, it's like me look on a dead person, bro.
I saw Niah last night, and this, though ordinary, Robose Karabasi and Amaraba, as I repent, Ekorobosia, the ear immanent in a command. Roboko Torobosia, the lights of a come warning people, want to know, wake up, wake up, wake up. Serious thing is happening and I'm still joking around. I saw Niah, the spirit, Niah's dead spirit last night, and when I woke up from the realm of the spirit, it's a vision, not a dream. It was so surreal. I had to be canceling and denouncing the connection. I don't like the energy we have. I don't like what me I see. And the fact say, I don't know him because I never know him before the death. I never seen before the death. But because I've seen the photo of the guy, it just makes it so weird. And I had to sit there and pray to the Lord, find something on YouTube to like just get my mind and my soul out of that dark energy. And the Lord said, come and tell you what is happening. Number one, those who believe it is still cool to just live your life, not paying God any mind and thinking you have all the time in the world, all the influencers, all those people who are powerful who believe they can't be unseated. Oh my God, wake up. The Lord is telling you he's real, and he's not the only real one here. You have a real enemy, and he come to steal, kill, and destroy. The Lord said, Niah is still not even aware that he's dead. And I'm gonna give you the vision soon. I recently learned that he was unalive when he was dead, shot. He was unalive, a TikTok live. And he was there with a dark man. The Lord said, tell them that man stole his destiny because death was after him. He got involved in some stuff. When the love were too much gathering, when the love speak too much death. He also got a vision because the Lord was speaking to him. He got a vision and the Lord is trying to warn him that he's going to die. But instead of coming and going to an altar and going to repent and going to seek the Lord, he went on live telling her to warn the people. He don't even know. Lack of knowledge causes my people to perish. The lady came to pray for him, and when the lady came to pray for him, he didn't understand that that was God trying to say, hey, for those who love to face to themselves and ask if God on in a malice, even if God came right before your face and tried to tell you that they're trying to kill you, you wouldn't understand. And that is why the Lord sent people who he has awakened. So he sent the lady to pray, but he should have realized that death is following him around. Look how the dog's bark in his background. He's always looking a bit nervous to me because I went to look on his stuff, looking like he's always in trouble or something going on, because his spirit man knew more than his physical man, and his spirit man is trying to say you in danger, you in danger. And that is why we come in to prophesy and to pray for you. You have to key into it and stop telling us based on your little understanding, because this is bigger. So also the lady that prayed, God bless her.
Jesus Christ.
And you know, the young man, I was in England when he sent me the lives to play a game. I said, I don't play match. I don't play match. I run a prayer meeting. And he said, all right, pray for me. I said, okay, all right, I'll pray. But while I was praying in the realm of the spirit, he was not receiving the prayer. He was not receiving the prayer in the realm of the spirit. Because sometimes you're dead in the spirit realm before you're dead natural. So, but there was a distraction because there was a warfare on, answer this one, on TikTok with our next trending person. Because I don't normally pray for gunman and them dead. Any gunman me pray for, them have to see the gunman them before him come. And when I saw the video, how the man them approach him. But the devil is a liar. The devil is a liar. Bless the name of Jesus. I don't care if you're not bad when somebody I pray for, you just receive the prayer. Because that is a demonic attack upon the young man to cut him life short. That as the spirit set to cut him out. I may tell him my belly weak. My belly pain me.
Only if man did just take the word where he did say you. Only if man did just take the word.
Him never received the word. Him never did receive it.
It passed through one ears and come back through. Because when I watch his screen record, I'm in here say, make sure yes the enemy them before them. I tell you what the part they are doing is like man.
But a lot of people, you know, they are fighting things. They are fighting inner spirit, you know, which is hard to listen to certain things sometimes. And I said they are lost, you know. So it's not an easy thing for them really hear and understand and really watch out for certain things, you know, because they're too deep into those things already in whatever happened to them already. Is that right?
The devil is a liar. When me tie my belly pan in live, me see when him dead, you know, me tie my belly and I hope he will agree with me. Me pull him back out. But it's just sad. But there's something going on in the atmosphere about those who are trending on the TikTok. There's an hit out for those who are trending and it's spiritual.
This is Niah. Niah was a popular Jamaican TikToker and a live streamer. He was unalived, he was shot while he was streaming. This was him moments before the incident. After the incident, some people were pointing fingers at this guy here, figure it out, because they always go live together and they are always having fallout. Some people said he always says hurtful things to the other opponent on his live stream. But some people said he only said those things in order to entertain his viewers, and that's it. And that Niah was known to be a lively person. A similar incident took place months ago when a Jamaican live streamer called Popsy Watson, who had just completed his studies in the West Indies, was also murdered in similar manner. What really is happening? Does it mean that you shouldn't joke with anybody on your live? What really is going on? To think that this young man was caught short simply because of what he said or what he was saying to his opponent. Well, investigations are still ongoing, but then be careful what you say to anybody on live or off live. Some people don't know how to take jokes. But then again, what do I know?
No. I deal with country badness. Me live close to you, motherfucker. See? You're not run the file. And you say you a killer.
Boom buckler.
Green record catch you with batty boy, blam them. Call up be a killer name. And come like you don't have no sense. You know, say blam them are informer. Blam them are got dead soon, youth. So go and itch up on live with blam them and make blam them a call up some man named Niah about rape. You think me now watch you? Me I watch you and I say watch you. The boy are real friends.
Blam them a man bro.
Blam them a no? Blam them a informer, dog. You can't make screen recorder catch you with them boy, the youth. That me I try tell you, me dog. Me evil a run friend either. Me I try show you say. Blam them.
Mother, you don't run already, boy.
Blam them a informer and you make be screen record.
Can't hear you. Suck your dead mama. Give me that the man show you must stubborn. Broke to your foot then, boy. Batty boy that man. Suck your mother again, boy.
Professional go chip on the Panama.
That's 64 yesterday, boy, run. You still get the 6 dollars. If you run or if you ain't run, a him run, a 6 pussy you lose.
Professional go chip on the
Suck your mother.
Cannot talk. Only a doctor can pronounce a man dead.
I'll if you're 14 and you look for me, if you're big man, you can't get gunshot.
Well, all you, me not care if you are 9. Gunshot in your blood clot. Let's go.
I stop my fool come from me, lie.
No. Now deal with country badness. Me live close to you, motherfucker. You see? You now run the file. And you say you a killer.
Never tell her that. That little girl is this fellow.